Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck or looking for a way to escape the 9-to-5 grind? Then this video is for you. Today, we're diving into scalable side hustles that can realistically make you $5,000 or more per month, even if you're starting from scratch. These aren't quick-fix schemes or overnight miracles. They're real, proven business ideas that people are using right now in 2025 to build financial freedom. Whether you're a student, a full-time worker, or just looking for a new income stream, these side hustles have the potential to grow into full-time incomes and beyond. Let's start with freelance services, which is one of the fastest ways to start earning. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer make it easy to get started offering services such as graphic design, video editing, voiceovers, content writing, and even AI-related gigs. The key is to specialize and build a niche. For example, if you focus on YouTube Shorts, video editing, or AI-generated content for businesses, you can scale quickly and raise your rates. Many freelancers start part-time and scale to $5,000 a month within 6-12 months by delivering great work and getting repeat clients. Another booming opportunity is digital product creation. Whether it's selling Notion templates, ebooks, Canva designs, online planners, or AI prompt packs, digital products are scalable, low cost to produce, and high in profit margin. You only create it once and can sell it unlimited times through platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or your own website. The demand for tools that help others save time, get organized, or start their own businesses is huge in 2025. And this side hustle can run 24/7 while you sleep. Next up is affiliate marketing, which is all about promoting other people's products and earning a commission for every sale you refer. This can be done through a blog, YouTube channel, TikTok page, or even Pinterest. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it's passive once you've created content that ranks or goes viral. If you're good with speaking or teaching, consider launching an online course or coaching program. Platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, and Kajabi let you create and sell your own courses to a global audience. Whether you teach fitness, finance, marketing, design, or even how to start a side hustle, there's a huge demand for knowledge in digital format. Combine that with a private coaching package or community, and you've got a high-ticket offer that can easily scale past $5,000 a month with the right marketing. Let's talk about YouTube automation or faceless YouTube channels. You don't need to show your face or use your voice. With AI tools like ChatGPT for scripting, 11 Labs for voiceovers, and Pictory or InVideo for video creation, you can launch a fully automated channel. Monetization comes from YouTube ads, affiliate links, and sponsorships. Once you upload consistently and hit the right niche, these channels can bring in $5,000 or more monthly, even on autopilot. Another underrated but powerful idea is dropshipping or print-on-demand stores. These business models allow you to sell physical products online without holding inventory. With tools like Shopify, Printful, and AI design generators, you can set up a niche store in days. Combine that with TikTok or Instagram marketing, and a single viral post can generate thousands in sales. The best part? You can test and scale with very little upfront investment. Don't overlook subscription-based newsletters or digital communities. Platforms like Substack and Patreon make it easy to build a paid subscriber base. If you consistently provide value, whether it's financial tips, industry news, personal development insights, or curated content, you can attract hundreds of paying subscribers. Just 500 people paying 10-month excuse $5,000 a month. It's all about building trust and showing up consistently. Finally, consider local service arbitrage. This involves finding a service provider, like a cleaner, handyman, or tutor, and connecting them with clients, while keeping a percentage of the deal. You don't need to perform the service yourself. You're essentially creating a mini agency. With the help of AI chatbots and scheduling tools, You can automate a lot of this process and scale it to multiple cities or niches. In summary, the key to a 5,000-month side hustle is scalability. Pick something you enjoy or are curious about, test it, and improve over time. These ideas require effort, but they offer the freedom to earn on your terms. Whether you choose freelancing, digital products, YouTube automation, or affiliate marketing, 2025 is full of opportunity for those willing to start. So stop scrolling and start building. Like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe for more business ideas, and let us know in the comments which side hustle you're starting first.